What's going on, guys? This is my string laptop funds video. I'll explain what is my string laptop idea in a bit. But all the funds of the monetization of this video go towards the string laptop research and the makeage of the string laptop and research for the string to make the string laptop to make it happen. The string laptop is pretty simple, pretty hard to explain though. You just make a laptop, you just get those little, those advanced thin white see-through strings. It doesn't even have to be see-through, but it's kind of see-through though. White thin see-through strings, very thin. Then you make a laptop out of with a whole bunch of those strings. Like literally, the whole laptop is filled with those strings. The keyboard attached to the keyboard, the keys are filled with the strings. The whole laptop is made of strings, basically. You could think of it like that. The whole laptop is made of strings. But also, it's made of normal plastic too. It's mixed in with normal plastic, but the strings are all over the laptop. It's almost like it's made of strings. And we want to use those strings to detect DNA or fingerprinting technology, skin ID or video audio ID. We heard that it might be able to sort of be like a scanner, or be able to produce audio or video from the strings. And we want to be able to detect DNA or what I said on the fingers. So when someone's typing, you have to be yourself to log in to the string laptop. You have to be yourself along with the password, of course. Then after we achieve that, we could start thinking about anonymizing audio and video streams. Audio and video streams. Audio and video streams of a laptop made of strings. That's what you could think of it. But it's also, that's what you could think of it as, but it's also plastic too. It'll look like it's made of strings though because there's so much strings in there. You could think about even anonymizing the internet. Gonna use the funds of this video to make that happen. Fingerprinting, skin ID, DNA sensing technology, audio video producing technology using strings, thin white strings. Hundreds of thousands of strings. That's just to get the idea in your head of what it looks like. But I'm not sure if it's actually 100,000, hundreds of thousands though. Thin white, see-through, advanced strings mended into the laptop. A laptop made of strings. I call it a string laptop. A string laptop. This is a look into tomorrow's technology. A look into tomorrow's technology. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.